Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Hisense Soundbar HS 2000. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with 240 watts audio power. You can connect it to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar got 3 speakers with DTS Virtual S built-in subwoofer. This soundbar got 7 equalizer setting, including adaptive optimized audio. Will give your TV a boost. This 2.1 channel soundbar. You can stream music, podcasts and the likes from your phone or tablet using Bluetooth, featuring visualized built-in subwoofer, all-in-one design that blends into the home. Dolby Digital Plus, DTS Virtual S, feed the combined force of Dolby Digital Plus 7.1 and DTS Virtual S technology, creating a visualized floor-to-ceiling surround sound experience. With TV mode technology, where each player easily control your Hisense Soundbar mode through your Hisense TV remote to optimize audio and dialogue. Multi-connection plug and play, Bluetooth 5.3, HDMI ARC, optical aux can be selected to connect. So you have a lot of options. In terms of preset mode, you have music, movie, news, game, sports and night. We're going to check this stuff out, see what is inside. This is accessories box, remote control, screws, so here is the battery, AAA battery, power cable, 3-pin power cable, and this is part of the wall mount. You put this to the soundbar to be able to mount it. HDMI cable included in the packaging. Information pack. This is the soundbar here. See what it looks like. This is visual subwoofer. So it's plastic and cloth in front of it. Visual built-in subwoofer. Hisense 2.1 channel soundbar. This is what it looks like. It's not heavy. And the ports. So the power cable is the first on the left, followed by aux, USB, HDMI, optical, and coaxial. To set this up, take this end of the cable, hook it up, connect it to AC in, push the cable inside, plug it onto the socket, take the remote control. This is the remote control. Take the battery, push the cover down, then take on the left side the negative B on the bottom, the positive on the top. On your right side, negative on the top, the positive on the bottom. Then close the cover. Now switch the soundbar on.
Power on.
And the power on. The light is highlighting here. If you haven't got the remote control, you can also select the function from the top. So you have switch this off and on. This is the input, followed by minus is for you to decrease the volume, the plus is for you to increase the volume. Select Bluetooth from the remote control.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth pairing.
Bluetooth pairing. So we're going to connect this using the mobile phone. Go to the phone setting, select connections, switch Bluetooth on and select Bluetooth. Hisense HS 2000 is found. Select on it. Bluetooth pairing request. Select pair.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected. We're going to test the audio. So depending on the music you have, this is the audio. This is movie.
News.
Game.
Sport. Music.
Thank you very much. This soundbar deserves your attention. I'm happy with this soundbar. Thank you.